I really want to start this video off with The Rocky Road to Dublin by the Dropkick Murphys, but I can't because copyright. Hello and welcome to Big Friendly Grub. I hope you are well. Now, very recently on the channel, I did some super quick and simple sugar-free chocolate orange truffles. They were so easy to make, they took no time at all, and they were super rich and tasty. Today I want to do something very similar. I want to make another treat that you could give as a gift, or you could just make because you really fancy it in no time at all. Super simple, no baking involved, it's Rocky Road. Now, nothing about this is sugar-free. It's going to be a lot sweeter than the truffles, that's for sure. But it is still going to be super simple. There's going to be no baking, just a little bit of what you could consider cooking, but it's really just melting stuff in a pan. It's so easy. And the great thing about Rocky Road is you can customize it to how you like it. You can put in whatever you want. You can put in biscuits, you can put in things like, I don't know, cherries, dried fruit, nuts. I really like putting in Reese's Pieces or those mini Reese's cups. But today I'm going to be putting in honeycomb in the form of a Crunchie. I'm going to be putting in popcorn. I'm going to be putting in digestives, and I'm going to be putting in marshmallows. That was the other one, and it's going to be so good. It's so easy, and we should get started. Let's go. Right, we just need to start off with a bowl over a simmering pan of water, and this is the most effort that we need to do in this whole video. So I'm just going to pop in 250 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of unsalted butter, and 3 tablespoons of beautiful golden syrup. If you don't have golden syrup, maple syrup could do, or even honey, but golden syrup is absolutely perfect for this. If you're in the US, you could also use corn syrup, which I think is similar to golden syrup. Don't quote me on it though, because I've never used it. Then I'm just going to melt this all together over this simmering pan. So we'll stop our chocolate from splitting. Just stand here and wait for this all to melt. Hey Google, play me The Rocky Road to Dublin by Dropkick Murphys.
The Rocky Road to Dublin by the High Kings, sure. Playing on Spotify.
No, not the High Kings. Close enough. One Irish folk song later, and this has all melted into a lovely glossy chocolatey mixture. So I'm just going to pop this off to one side, just to cool down for a moment before I start putting my filling in, because I just need to chop everything up. So I've got my melted chocolate here, which is slightly cooled, and I've got some Digestive Biscuits here, the milk chocolate kind, and I'm going to pop those in. There's probably about 150 grams worth. I didn't measure it out, I just estimated it. And I've also got a Crunchie here. If you're not from the UK, a Crunchie is basically honeycomb covered in chocolate. That's all it is, but you could just get some standard honeycomb, but why not add extra chocolate? In that goes. And I've got probably, what, 100 grams worth of mini marshmallows. If you can't get mini marshmallows, you can always use marshmallows that you've chopped up into bits. And lastly, I've got some popcorn, because that adds a nice, just different texture to the Rocky Road. And then I'm just going to get in and stir that all together so everything's coated. You get back in. Remember, you can pack this with whatever you want. Just don't overpack it, because otherwise it won't hold together that well. Then with all that coated, I've got some silicone bakeware here. I'm going to tip that all in, get all of that chocolate, don't waste a single bit, or as best as you can anyway. Just spread that all out to the edges. And with that all spread out nice and evenly, or as evenly as you can with Rocky Road, this goes into the fridge to set up completely for probably about 2 hours, I'd say, but it depends on how good your fridge is. So just make sure it's completely set. Right, after a good hour or two in the fridge, this is now ready to be turned out, and because it's silicone, it should come out quite easily. There we go. Nice and simple. So you can see that's all nicely set. So now we just chop it up into whatever sizes we want. I'm going to go with quite reasonable sized Rocky Roads. There we go, I've got about 20 Rocky Road out of those, all of a nice size, but you could go bigger, you could go smaller. But you can see a lovely cross section there. Got marshmallow, got some biscuit, probably got some popcorn there. A little bit of everything. Oh, there's a bit of honeycomb, a little bit of digestive. They look pretty good. So all that's left to do is give one a try. There we go. One big rocky mountain of rocky road. So simple, so simple. Literally all it is just melting stuff and then mixing in pretty much whatever you want into that. You can mix it up, you could use milk chocolate, you could use like different flavoured chocolates in there, you could use like a minty chocolate, you can add your own flavours, you could like add some orange flavour in there, you can fill it with whatever you jolly well please. If you want to chuck some cherries in there, some dried fruits, you can. It's such a customisable treat, it's so good. And I'm not going to let this stare me in the face any longer, I'm going to grab one of these. Let's grab this one right here at the beginning, at the front. So there we go, we can see some marshmallow in there, we can see some biscuit, I think a bit of popcorn in there. I don't think there's any honeycomb in this bit, but maybe it's a bit more central. But it's such an easy treat, but just so good. Probably one of the most unhealthy treats I can think of because it's literally all kinds of bad stuff wrapped in chocolate. But it's so bad it's good. They are delicious. And the customizability of them is just one of the things I love. So this is just a general idea. You can do whatever you want with them. So go off and experiment. They are so simple, just need a bit of time to set. But so good, so good. Oh. So there you go, that's how you make Rocky Road. So simple, great for like a quick fire gift, or if you've got like a party or something in an emergency, you need something quick. Ideal, absolutely ideal. So that was another nice, quick, big friendly grub, showing you some nice, quick and easy treats to make. So I'm quite enjoying this. It's nice to do some bit more simple stuff that anyone can do, stuff that's great to do with kids, things like that. If you want to see any other like kind of quick and simple treats that can be done, let me know. If you do have any ideas of what you want to see, then comment down below or hit me up on Twitter if you like. But otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to find out when new videos are going up, and I will see you next time on Big Friendly Grub. Take care. Bye.